Hi, my name is Joshua Maynard. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering and minoring in business administration at the University of Wisconsin Green Bay. Currently, in the spring of 2023, I'm finishing up my first year here. So this is a project that I did. I made this snowmobile skid assembly. So as you can see, I modeled many parts in here, from the springs to these revolves, sheet metal, the slide rails, everything. So first I'm just going to start out by showing you some of the interesting features about it. So one thing that's interesting and kind of unique to this is this mate right here is a slot mate. That's something that is I don't seem doesn't seem to be very common at the in these assemblies. So I thought that was kind of neat. And then another neat thing is these springs that were made by using a sweep. So that kind of was a challenge for me at first making those because uh, if you don't understand how the sweep uh, program works or how you're able to use the spring feature in Solidworks, it's quite a challenge to obviously try and make a spring. That's the only way you can do it. But once I figured out how those commands work, went along quite simply. As you can see, I have one, two, three different revolves in here, which those can be challenging at times, but once you get the hang of it, those weren't too difficult for me to make. And then this metal plate right here is made of sheet metal, actually using the sheet metal portion of SolidWorks. And then another interesting feature on this is this little bar here that can be used to grab onto is made using a loft, which if you're not familiar with how that works, you make a plane here, there's a plane here, and then you would make a plane here, then you would add another thing to this plane. So you would put a circle here and a circle here and then a circle right here, and you would loft it up through this circle. So that's quite an interesting feature that it's not very common, but could be helpful in many situations. Like, not really sure how else I would have made this handle besides using the loft feature. So, the as you can see, there's nothing in a snowmobile skid that really needs a motor or anything like that. So the motion assembly that I did was using this video to explode the assembly. So I'll let you watch the video right now. So as you can see, the assembly is completely exploded here. You can see that the shock is made out of many different parts. I think of 5, 6 different parts. And then you can see all the little intricate nuts, bolts, washers that were in there, along with these all the spacers, and just see everything that really went into this, and how although it may seem like a smaller project, it actually was a really intricate project, getting all these parts to go together and getting them to fit correctly together without any interference. So this is my snowmobile skid assembly. It used many different features, and I think it shows that I'm capable of making quite extensive projects in AutoCAD or in SolidWorks, and I'm capable of using many of the different features and know how they work. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed.